This is the S&P 500 one-day forecast for February 23rd, 2022. It's currently February 21st, 2022, 10:18 p.m. So we have overall today we have another bottom. It looks like. Yeah, so yesterday's the 20 seconds high was marked with the prudence card, right? So today we have the prudence card as the theme, indicating to me we likely have yesterday's highs like in the morning here. There's a definite trade opportunity in the first hour and a half there. Fortune card marks a trade opportunity, and then we also have the Ace of Wands and then the Ace of Swords, both of which mark opportunities to trade. Yeah, so it looks like we open at a high, or we push higher. There's a low in the pre-market, we push higher around the open, but I'm advised to be prudent there. It looks to me like there's a holding pattern as well, because we have the Hierophant card. I don't think that'll hold though. I think that's something's going to come, some sort of news likely over here around, I don't know, around 10 to 11. But around yeah, so it looks like the highs in early morning, right? And then we have a lot of volatility between in the first hour and a half, but especially between 10ish and 11ish. And then we have a sideways S between a support and a resistance level, and possibly a trade opportunity there as well, between 11 and 12. A big push to the upside, roughly 12 to 1 o'clock, but again, I'm advised to be prudent here. It should be the top behavior on the highs for the day is a significant move lower. Behavior around the lows for the day is a big push to a distant resistance level. So yeah, sort of like a holding pattern. But then there's a trade opportunity again around like 1 to 2 o'clock. We drop from a peak there down to a support, and then we bounce along that support. Looks like that trade opportunity is towards the end of the hour, roughly around 2 to 2:10-ish, somewhere in there. We have multiple failed attempts to break through a key resistance between 2ish and 3ish, and then more sideways fluidity, equal amount of bulls and bears at the end of the day, it looks like. But we do have a push right around the open, or excuse me, right around the close higher, and then we have a low indicator with the strife card in the post market, meaning that we hit a resistance, and then we kind of like do like a lower high, spikes that are highs, but they're lower highs on the way down, lower highs and lower lows. Sneak preview card speaks of a revisiting of a crest tomorrow, a good opportunity to crest. So on Tuesday, I'll be selling puts here and buying calls. I'll either sell those calls there around the 2ish mark or the following morning. Looks like probably the following morning. But around midday, I'll be purchasing puts as well, so I'll be playing both sides of the market moving into tomorrow, or moving into the 23rd. And then there's a trade opportunity early in the day and a trade opportunity later in the day on the 23rd. All right, guys, that's the S&P 500 for February 23rd, 2022. Guys, we are kicking some serious butt here. Spread the word. You know, pay it forward, guys. I'm giving this stuff away for free. Do me a solid. I'm doing you a solid, and spread the word. Hit that like and that subscribe button if you haven't. That way you'll find out, you know, the latest predictions. You can also go to Twitter, Tarot for Traders on Twitter, and you'll get tweets whenever we go live. All right, guys. Best of luck to you. I'll see y'all later.